care programs can improve and preserve the health of your lawn. But even if your lawn is green and thick, certain pests can destroy it in a short time. One of the most well-known lawn pests are grubs, which are the larvae of beetles. Grubs feed on the roots of your lawn, causing large sections to die quickly in late summer and early fall. But there are also other pests that feed on the grass above the surface. Pests like chinch bugs and armyworms are tiny and difficult to see until it's too late. While each year can be better or worse for these lawn pests, they're pretty common. You may be tempted to choose a lawn care program that doesn't include these treatments. Skipping these treatments is risky and could mean you have to not only treat the pests later, but then re-sod your lawn. At Grassperson, we believe you deserve the best lawn on the block and a hassle-free customer experience. This is why we strongly recommend our program options that include treatments for these lawn pests. Our lawn care technicians will proactively treat for pests at the right time to protect your investment. We're passionate about protecting your lawn from all sorts of challenges to keep you happy for years to come. We wouldn't have it any other way, and neither should you.